Hi guys, so I'm back again with the treat box. And guys, so different treats and different flavors of cat. Okay, Sheru came running already. Mio treat, Shiba treats and all those things guys. So today I will do a unique review. That is uh, fish oil daily dental treats guys from Nutrabon. Okay guys, so this is a unique and oh fuck, he has started. Sorry guys for the word, but yeah, so I will just keep him below and then I will start the review. So guys, first I will tell you I have done more than 50 reviews for cat accessories, food and treat, so check it out. And this is a unique cat treat. Okay, so it's good for the dental clean treat, freshen breads, rich in omega, rich in vitamin and minerals. So guys, this is unique and I saw it first time. So this is 50 gram for 150 rupees guys. So you can see delicious crunchy. So it helps to scrape away the plaque and tartar of the cat. Okay, promotes healthy teeth and gums. Definitely fortifies various essential vitamins and minerals for well-being. Okay. Direction are for a cat 1 year old or older. Oh shit, my cat is 5 months old, so I don't know, but let's check. Cat should be supervised all the time while feeding. Okay, we will do that. Store sealed and dry place. Okay, I will do that also. Healthy dental benefits. Okay guys, so this is a unique and I always wanted to treat my cat with different treats as well as food, so accessories, toys, everything. So guys, you can see here this is made of this is shrimp flavor. First of all, I didn't find any shrimp flavor guys, any treat or food, so I wanted to try this first, if Sheru likes or not. So you can see a fish meal, cornstarch, egg yolk, chicken meal. Okay, all the essential things, but you can see here it is written shrimp flavor, so only. Okay, taurine is also there. Okay, great, all good things, and guaranteed analysis is given here. This is imported, but guys, you can see this is made in PRC. So what is this? New country, new thing? No guys, China. This is made in China. Now after banning made in China, it's written made in Public Republic of China, PRC. So funny thing guys, but let's try if our cat likes this or not. So guys, Sheru is already here, and first I wanted to try the shrimp flavor. Let's see guys. You are seeing him chewing that. So guys, he has eaten already one, and now he is running behind it and crying for it. So you can see guys. Oh, okay Sheru, yeah. So definitely this is a treat. Oh fuck, he just bit my nail. Luckily it was nail, or else blood would have come. Sheru, you are very desperate for this treat. So guys, good treat and good for the dental cares. So guys, I am definitely, if he likes shrimp, fish will be his favorite. So I am not going to show you the fish review, as I don't want to. Already I have 3-4 packets of treat open, so I want to finish them first. So but yeah, it will be same thing guys. This is the fish only with shrimp flavor, nothing else. And this treat is soft so soft liquid. So guys, he liked it. I will just show you. So guys, this is a texture of the and this is desperate Sheru. Yeah, definitely this is a treat, and he has liked it. So you can guys, this can be as this is healthy, and you can also guys, you can also use this for training purpose guys. Okay, so you can use this for training purpose. And guys, you should not feed them treat a lot. You should feed them in a, what we say, in a limited numbers. So guys, this is awesome treat, and as well as good for the cat's teeth and dental care. So guys, you can train him as well as you can use this treat. Good treat guys.